Hello everyone, my name is Pedro Lucio Pereira. Today I will present the anatomy of a computer, understanding the essential of component and hardware project that I have been working on. The first, computer. Understanding computers and computers component. Definition: computer is an electronic device that consists of the series of various components that are connected to each other so that they form a working system. The system in the computers can carry out work automatically based on programs structured to it so that I can produce information based on existing data and program. Etymology: the word computers comes from the Latin word computer, which meant to count. So in simple term, computer is tool used to calculate arithmetic. In general, a computer consists of three main elements include the first hardware. In hardware, device consist of the processor, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, and CPU. The second, software. Software is a operating system and also various applications that are include the hardware and work according to command from the user. Third, computer user brandware. Brandware is a computer user or operator who use a computer. Computer's component. Based on their function, components in a computer can be divided into three groups, namely input, processor, and output. Input component. This component is hardware component that has the function of giving orders or various text that will given to computer. Some of these input component include keyboard. Keyboard provides input the form of alphanumeric and order ASCII interpretation. Mouse and trackpad tools that connected brainware to the monitor screen. Pen for touch screen function similar to a mouse book but look like a pen. Scanner a tool scanning image to the to be entered into a computer system. Microphone. I told from inputting data in audio from processors process component. This component has the function of processing data or processing commands given by brainware, which are the display on the output component. Some process components include processor, which the main component in the data processing process. Metaphor, which a component that connected various other components in the computer's hard disk, which a component for storing parameter data on computer, for example, a computer operating system. RAM, namely memory to temporarily store various computer activities. Output component. This is a component that has the function of display information from command or that have been processed by the computer. Some output components include monitor, a computer component that can display the process being carried out by a computer. Printer, a component that can print information of hard copy from. Speaker, a component that can produce output from audio or sound. I will tell you a little about my experience about computer. As a science graduate, I have already been interested in science and technology, even though I have no background in IT. My first experience with computers began when I was a teenager. At that time, an old computer left by my brother became the object of my exposure. Without sufficient knowledge and started studying computers autodidact, I researched a lot about computers components. My first experience with computer were not always smooth. There were many moments and frustration and confusion. However, others difficult and patient was I followed the lesson I learned not only about technology but also about preference and tenacity. The second, hardware. Understanding computer hardware function, type, and example. Hardware is a physical component in computer system. This hardware plays a role in carrying out computing and data processing tasks. Hardware, etc., as a physical framework that allows software to run and perform certain tasks. Hardware is an important component in computer operation. Without the right hardware, the software will not have a platform to run and perform in text. In general, three are four main functions of hardware. The following are hardware functions. The first, receiving input. An input device is hardware that functions to enter data or information into a computer. This data or information can be the from image, text, video, and audio. Some example of input device include keyboard, mouse, microphone, webcam. Second, processing data information. Processing device. A processing device is a computer device that functions to process various data and information entered into the computer. Processing device can also be called the brain of a computer because they can process information entered into the computer. Some example of processing device include CPU, central processing unit, VGA, video graphic adapter, RAM, random access memory, and power supply. Third, provide output. Output device. An output device is a device in a computer that functions to accommodate and produce data in computer which is then output via other device connected to the computer. For example, information or data is released in the form of image, text, video, and sound. The sound for device includes computer monitoring processor, printer. For storing data information. Stores the device, stores unit. Strong devices are hardware devices that can store information and data, both inside and outside the computer. One example of the storage unit is a hard disk which function as data storage device on computer. Data storage can not only be done on computer but can also be done outside the computer switch and external hard disk. 5. Digital device peripherals. Peripherals are hardware devices that function to help the computer carry out commands from the user. A modem is an example of an additional device on a computer that functions to connect a computer device to internet networking. My experience in understanding hardware began when I started a new college. As I since graduate, I have a great interest in science and technology, but I realize that I still need to learn a lot about how hardware components work in internet. That's my presentation about computer and hardware. Thank you.